Before you embark on this adventure, you need a bit of preparation. The Cartoon Hero workflow consists of 3 AI tools. Let's get each of them ready real quick. If you already use any video editing program like After Effects, DaVinci Resolve or CapCut, you can skip this step. If not, head to CapCut.com and download CapCut program. It's all-in-one video editor that's perfect for beginners and for simple projects like AI cartoons. The second essential tool in our workflow is Morphic Studio. This tool has a flex context model, one of the most advanced AI models for image editing. While many tools have already integrated this model too, Morphic Studio is by far the most convenient and user-friendly option. Also, it's one of the cheapest ones. Let me show you how to set it up. Go to morphic.com and register your account. Once you sign up, you will get 50 free credits, which equals 50 images, a pretty generous free plan. After the trial ends, you can use my discount code you see on the screen to get any paid plan with a solid amount of credits. Once your account is created, open your first canvas and leave it as it is. We'll come back to this a bit later. Now, let's set up the most important tool of all, WaveSpeed. WaveSpeed is a platform that lets you experiment with various AI models, including the one we will be using, Seedance 1.0. This model is the core of our image-to-video generation workflow and will enable us to create these amazing AI cartoons. While a few other platforms also offer access to Seedance, WaveSpeed gives you the best price and the simplest experience. Here's what you need to do. Register an account at wavespeed.ai and top up your balance with $10 or $20. That amount is more than enough to get started and try Cartoon Hero workflow right away. And the last step is to download the course materials folder. You will find the zip file uploaded right here on the course platform. If your computer can't open zip files, you can also download it from Dropbox. Inside the course materials, you will find all the media files and prompts you'll need. And that's it. Your AI tool setup is complete.